Good afternoon. Welcome to our clothing store. How may I help you today?
Good afternoon. I'm looking for something nice to wear for a family gathering.
That sounds lovely. Are you looking for something casual or more formal?
Something smart but comfortable.
Great choice. Do you have a preferred color?
Yes, I like pastel colors. Maybe light pink or sky blue.
We have some beautiful light pink blouses over here.
Oh, that's nice. Could you show me this one in pink?
Of course. What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear a small, but sometimes medium fits better.
No problem. I'll bring both small and medium for you.
Thank you very much.
Here's the small size. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where is the fitting room?
The fitting rooms are just to your right.
Thank you.
How does the small size fit?
It fits well around the shoulders, but it feels a bit tight on the arms.
I understand. Would you like to try the medium size?
Yes, that would be great.
Here is the medium.
Thank you. I'll try it now.
How does the medium feel?
It feels much more comfortable and relaxed.
That's good to hear. Would you like to see matching trousers or a skirt?
Yes, I'm looking for black trousers to match this blouse.
We have black trousers in different styles. Do you prefer slim fit or straight fit?
I think straight fit would be better for me.
Sure. What is your waist size?
I usually wear size 28.
Let me check. Yes, we have size 28 available.
Perfect. May I try them on?
Absolutely.
Thank you.
How do the trousers fit?
They fit well, but they are slightly long.
We can adjust the length for you if you'd like.
That would be helpful. How long will it take?
It usually takes about 2 days.
That's fine.
Would you like to look at jackets or cardigans to complete the outfit?
Yes, maybe a light gray cardigan.
We have one right here. It's soft and lightweight.
It looks beautiful. What material is it made of?
It's made of cotton and a little bit of wool.
That sounds comfortable. Do you have it in medium?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. It fits perfectly and feels very soft.
I'm glad you like it.
Could you tell me the price of the blouse, trousers, and cardigan?
The blouse is $35, the trousers are $50, and the cardigan is $40.
Do you have any discounts today?
Yes, we are offering 15% off on purchases over $100.
That's wonderful. I think I'll take all 3 items.
Excellent choice. Would you like a bag for your items?
Yes, please.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
I'll pay by card.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all for today.
Thank you for shopping with us. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.